If a student is from North India, Maharashtra and East India, and if they are looking for college, MBBS college within 50 to 60 lakhs, ideally they have two destinations. One is either in Karnataka or in Uttar Pradesh. But apart from these two states, you have some other opportunity where you can also explore and you will be getting a good college. Those states are Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Dear NEET aspirants, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Mudra, Bangalore. Today, I will give you the information about the management quota admission process in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, both the states, 15% seats are open for the non-domiciled student and rest of the percentage of the seats are open for the domiciled student. I am talking about the private college. And in Telangana state, private college counseling authority name is KNR University, which is in Warangal. And in Andhra Pradesh, the university name is YSR University. Why I am telling you both the states today? Because both the states, there are some similarity in the process. So once the students' NEET rank is above 1 lakh, then they can try in Karnataka if they are looking for within 50 to 60 lakhs fee structure college if they are from the North India or Maharashtra or eastern part of India. Below 1 lakh rank student, sometimes they apply in the Uttar Pradesh. But you can think about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana also where the fee structure also come within 50 to 60 lakhs. And if your rank is little low also, still you can get the college in those states. I'll tell you what is the counseling process and which all colleges are there. First, I'll tell you about some of the good colleges in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In Telangana, some of the very good colleges are Apollo Medical College, which is in Hyderabad. Apart from that, Mamta Medical College, they have two campuses. One is in Hyderabad, another is in Khammam. Another good medical college is Kameni. Kameni is having one campus in Nampipalli, another campus is in Hyderabad. Apart from that, Mallareddy, they have two campuses. One is for boys, another is for girls, another is a Quota. Apart from that, Bhaskar Medical College is also there, which is very close to Hyderabad. Now the advantage is that there are many colleges which is very close to Hyderabad or in the vicinity of Hyderabad. Coming to Andhra Pradesh, there are some good and old colleges are there. One of the best college in Andhra Pradesh is Narayana Medical College. Apart from Narayana, Aluri Medical College is there, Katuri Medical College is there, NRI Medical College, Guntur is there. These all are the good medical college in Andhra Pradesh where the student can think about the admissions. Coming to the counseling process, in Telangana, the counseling will be conducted as I told KNR University. KNR University, they will open the registrations. You have to do the registrations there and you have to upload the document and you have to do the choice filling for the allotment. Here in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, both the states, there is no security amount. But there are some restriction in the counseling process. In Telangana, if you are not participating in the counseling from first round, in fact, if you are not giving choices in the first round, or if you are being allotted a college in first round, if you don't take, then you will not be eligible for further round of counseling. So you have to be very careful in Telangana state counseling. Same for Andhra Pradesh also, even though for first two rounds in Andhra Pradesh there is no restriction as such, but after that there are some restrictions are there. I will tell you what is the significance of both the states in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. There are many students who are looking for admissions in nearby Bangalore, maybe and Karnataka also. If they are from North India, they feel if the college is very near to Bangalore. There are few medical colleges that there which is in Andhra Pradesh, but they are very close to Bangalore. I will tell you the name of the colleges. One college is there, that is PS Medical College, Kuppam, which is very close to Bangalore, around 120 km from Bangalore. Another good medical college which is in Apollo Chittor, which is also very close to Bangalore. Balaji Medical College Chittor, which is also very close to Bangalore. So this is the colleges which candidate can consider if they don't get the college in Bangalore, because this is also very close to Bangalore itself. Apart from that, there are many good colleges are there, as I told you, in Hyderabad. Okay, so the students who are from North India or even other parts, especially in Maharashtra also, some part of Maharashtra is very close to Telangana. they also can think about the Telangana, because in Maharashtra if the student's rank is below 1 lakh, then there is a very less chance they will be getting a college around 50 or 60 lakhs budget in the Maharashtra state. So that opportunity is also there. Student, in this video I wanted to give you the informations about AP and Telangana in a very brief manner. If you want to know more information about that, please let us know which subject video you are looking for in the descriptions. If you want to get our counseling services, please contact with us for the counseling services. Also subscribe our YouTube channel for seeing this kind of video. Thank you so much student for watching this video.